All right, this is the Emphasis Certification Portal Training. This is the actual login screen for the portal. This is where you will use the temporary user credentials provided by DCA, and you would log in for the first time using your temporary user credentials. Of course, when you log in, you're going to be prompted to update those credentials with the new username and password. Keep in mind that super users will share the same credentials. However, when you're setting up your other users, and I'll talk about that a little later, you are going to provide new users their own individual credentials, but super users must share the same credentials. All right, the first step, what we're going to do is how to add new users to the system. From your snapshot page, after you log in, navigate to On-Site Managers and click on Manage On-Site Managers. This is your On-Site Managers profile area where all of your managers will be listed in the system. To add a new user to the system, click New. His or her name. You're also going to be responsible for assigning a temporary username and a temporary password. And now you'll see that your new user has been added to the system. So you would follow this step by clicking New for however many users that you have or that you need to add to the system. Assigning properties to the on-site manager. To assign properties, you can navigate to Project Assignment either here on my left-hand toolbar, or Project Assignment is also listed at the top toolbar. By clicking On-Site Managers, you can go to Project Assignment. From your On-Site Manager Project Assignment page, you're going to select the On-Site Manager for Project Assignment. You're going to click the box next to the property of the, you're going to click next to the property where you want that on-site manager to be listed as an on-site manager. Once you click this box at the bottom of the screen, you're going to be prompted to update. Make sure you click update. Project assignment successful. You see here, keep in mind, two managers can be assigned to the same property. And again, you will follow this step for as however many on-site managers that you need to assign to a property. Now, let's say that you need to unassign a manager from a property. What you're going to do from the same screen, you're going to stay on the on-site manager project assignment page, and you're going to select the name of the manager that you need to unassign, and you're just going to uncheck the box. And when you uncheck the box, again, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see update. Make sure you click update. Project assignment successful, but really it's going to unassign it. And again, you will follow this step for however many managers you need to unassign by selecting the name here, unchecking the box, clicking update at the bottom of the screen, and that is how you unassign managers to a property. The next step I want to show you is talking about unlocking projects. So super users can access the same record at the same time. However, your on-site managers are not going to be able to access the record at the same time. To prevent, say for instance, if one of your on-site managers abruptly leaves for the day, they're going to have that record locked the entirety of the day. So to prevent this from occurring, get in the habit of unlocking your on-site manager's portfolio. And to do that, you would need to go click on Manage On-Site Managers, and you need to click on the manager. Here, when you pull up the on-site manager's profile, you're going to get unlock projects. Are you sure you want to unlock projects for this on-site manager? Click yes. And that is how you unlock projects that are assigned to that particular manager's portfolio. Resetting passwords. If you have a manager that needs his or her password reset, there's two options to do so. From the on-site manager's profile box, you can either do a system reset. Are you sure you want to reset this on-site manager's password? You're going to click OK. Then they're going to use the username and password to access the system. They will not receive a link to update their credentials, like a reset password link. You're just going to do a system reset and make sure that the next time they log in, that they're logging in with what the system has listed here. Another option to do a reset password, you would click edit and just basically change the password, and you would give them the new password. So those are the two options of how to complete a system, either a system reset password or to manually update the password in the system. The last super user function item that I want to discuss is the last two items is how to temporarily restrict access and how to delete a record from the system. Let's say that one of your managers is going to take significant amount of leave and you want to restrict their access to the system until they get back. What you would do is just basically reset their password, and you would not give them that until they return. And this is going to be how they're temporarily restricted from accessing the system. However, if you have a manager that is no longer with the company and you need to ultimately delete that record from your system, from your on-site manager's page, you would hover your mouse next to the name of the manager whose record needs to be deleted. You would click in the box. When you click the box next to the name, the bottom of the screen, you'll see delete. Click delete. Are you sure you want to delete the on-site manager? Click yes, and this removes that entire record from emphasis.